actually know what free fall is?
That's a really good question. Let's go find out. We're here in front of Applebee's.
And we interviewed several students and asked them what free fall is.
What do you think free fall is?
The ability to fall forward.
How would you define free fall? What is free fall?
It's a song by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers.
What do you think free fall is?
When you're full.
How would you define free fall? What would you say is free fall?
This is the result of free fall.
Now let's figure out what free fall actually is. A freely falling object means nothing else but gravity is affecting it when it's falling.
Because of acceleration due to gravity, the velocity changes at 9.8 meters per second squared. Say you have this ball. Before you drop it, the initial velocity is 0 meters per second, and the acceleration due to gravity is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Now watch.
And the time it takes for it to drop is 0.81 seconds. In this problem, you're given the initial velocity, which equals 0 meters per second, the acceleration, which equals negative 9.8 meters per second squared, and the time, which equals 0.81 seconds. We need to find the final velocity and the distance. To find the final velocity, you use the equation Vf equals Vi plus Ha. After plugging in the given information, we find that the final velocity equals negative 7.938 meters per second. To find the distance, use the equation d equals VIT plus 1/2 AT squared. After plugging in the initial information, you find that d equals negative 3.2 meters.
Free fall is a special type of motion in which the only force acting upon the object is gravity. All objects will fall with the same rate of acceleration regardless of their mass. So that means even though this basketball is clearly larger than this small ball, they will both fall at the same rate of acceleration. See how they both hit the floor at the same time? Let's watch again.
So in conclusion,
Free fall is when an object falls freely without any resistance from anything.
Free falling. Yeah, I'm free. Free falling. And all the vampires walking through the valley.
Oh my god, guys, it's angle of refraction.
All of us. Jesus!
we're never gonna do this!
Now let's figure out what free fall.
Say you have this ball. Before you drop it, So in conclusion...
Okay, sorry.